Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 i-MMD SR. Now this vehicle has currently done 4,453 miles and it's finished in the colour crystal red. It does sit nicely on 15-inch wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,203 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely part leather interior with the contrasting cloth. Both the outer seats feature ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel you have controls for adjusting your infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to your trip information. There's also additional driving data and even your audio and telephone menus. You've got your driver assist features. The vehicle features your lane departure warning system and pre-collision warning system to keep you safe and secure while you're on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth audio. You do have your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's also your smartphone connectivity so you can pair your iPhone or Android phone to the system. You can safely make hands-free phone calls and texts and even use compatible applications directly on the touchscreen. You can see some of the additional features that the system comes with there. Below from the display you'll find your automatic air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. Below this you have two USB points and a 12-volt socket. In the center console you'll find your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake.